Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to dry out silica gel packets. These small packets are incredibly useful for protecting your valuables from moisture damage. Instead of discarding them once they've absorbed their fill, you can easily reactivate them. This not only saves you money, but also helps reduce waste, making it a smart and sustainable practice for preserving your belongings. The oven method is a very common and effective way to reactivate your silica gel. First, spread your packets in a single layer on a baking sheet. Then, place them in an oven preheated to a low temperature, about 250 degrees Fahrenheit. The drying process usually takes between 1 and 3 hours, depending on how saturated they are. You'll know they're ready when their indicator color returns to its original state. For a quicker option, you can use a microwave, but be careful. This method is best for loose silica gel beads, not the packets themselves. Place the beads in a microwave-safe dish and heat them on medium-low power for short bursts, around 30 seconds at a time. Stir the beads thoroughly after each interval to ensure even drying and prevent them from overheating, which could damage them. Repeat until they are fully reactivated. While air drying is an option, it's often too slow and not very effective for heavily saturated silica gel. Once your silica gel packets are thoroughly dried using either the oven or microwave method, it's crucial to store them correctly. Immediately place them in an airtight container, such as a sealed jar or a zip-top bag. This prevents them from reabsorbing moisture from the surrounding air, ensuring they remain effective for future use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.